Thank you for choosing CrossPath Telecom Network. You've never loved a phone company until now. In this short video, we'll show you how to properly install your CrossPath desktop telephone. Let's get started. Your CrossPath telephone will include several components: an Ethernet cable, power adapter, wall mount, and a desktop mount. You will also receive a handset and handset cord. You'll insert the short end of the cord into the handset. The long end of the cord will plug into the handset port on the back of the telephone. Now we'll explain each connection port. To establish an internet connection, simply plug your existing internet cable into the LAN port. If you would like to use your telephone to provide an internet connection to one additional device, such as a PC, use the provided network cable. Plug one end of the network cable into the PC port on the telephone and the other end into your device. If you have purchased an additional operator sidecar, you will plug the sidecar into the extension port. To power the telephone, plug the included power adapter into a nearby outlet and the other end into the DC port. Note, if your network switch is PoE enabled, that is, Power over Ethernet, the power adapter will not be necessary. If you want to use a wired headset with the telephone, plug the headset into the headset port. As previously mentioned, the handset will plug into the handset port. Final step. To install the desktop mount, you'll insert the mount into the corresponding inset holes, sliding the mount upwards to lock into place. We recommend the lower set of inset holes for the best viewing angle. You are now ready to use your CrossPath desktop telephone. If you have any questions or need support, the CrossPath support team is happy to assist you. Please feel free to reach out to us at any time. Thank you again for choosing CrossPath Telecom Network.